Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to give you some rocking drills that you can do that they're good for your posture, they're good for your body, totally integrates your joints, but we're going to focus on today one leg at a time. And I'm going to give you a new, some of these will be a review, but one of these little rocking drills is going to be brand new, and I'll go ahead and tell you right now, you're welcome, because it's going to feel good. I'll just stop talking and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we are going to rock around the world on one leg. So using one leg. So we're going to take this leg here and going to put it behind us like a kickstand and just rock back and forth. So really, this is the leg that's taking the load currently right now, and we're just rocking back and forth. And again, the reason you want to rock is because rocking is great for your vestibular system, your nervous system. It strengthens your nervous system, but it also tells your brain where all your joints are. It tells your brain how to stabilize your joints and which muscles should do the holding to allow which muscles to do the moving. All of that to say is rocking helps tie you together and it makes you move better. And it's just good for you. But anyway, so we're gonna rock with one leg behind us, and then we're gonna put it out beside us a little bit, but still behind us. And now the rocking has changed. You're going to be gently aware that you have your adductor muscles, gently aware. But then we're going to put it more out beside us, like 90 degrees. Now you're very much more aware that you have these adductor muscles in here, or your growing muscles. We've done this before. And now we're going to put it out in front. And we've done this before too. This really helps you find your hamstrings if you've never found those. But here's the new one. And this is the one you're really going to be, yes, I really do like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this leg and put it, we're still rocking around the world, we're putting it under us and across. So you're going to let, if you can, if you have the mobility, let the bottom of your foot be on the floor. You can do the top of your foot too, but the bottom of your foot it just gives a pivot point for your foot to grab the floor, which really pulls in, allows that hip to really rock. So what you'll notice is when you rock like this, you're opening up, oh man, you're stretching your glutes or your butt muscles a little bit, and it's gentle, it's very gentle, and it just feels good. And why would you want to do that? Because you need a healthy butt, that's why. So we're going to do the other leg. So leg behind, like a kickstand, then behind but out to the side, then beside, then in front, and then underneath and across. Man, that's nice. Oh yeah, you're gonna like this. Feels kind of good. And then back. So, just in case you need a different view, in case you just couldn't pick up what I was putting down. So basically, we're just playing around the world with where we put our leg, going from back to front, and then underneath and across. And this foot here, you can be laces down, or you can be ball of foot. You can do both, because there's a difference. And that's it. That's our simple drill for this week. Rocking around the world on one leg. That underneath and across one-legged part of it though, that's the part you're gonna love. Well, the truth is you're gonna love the other parts too, but that's the new part that you're gonna love, all right? I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.